Ziakhala Sun City. It's one of the biggest events ever arranged by SABC, and you are one of those on the lineup. So how do you feel? Nisizwa kanjani ukuthi vele you gonna perform at the Sun City for SABC Ziakhala Mo Sun City?
Sijabule ngendlela esimanga ngoba uma ngabe sila sisekhaya abantu base South Africa bayithatha imambazo bayibeka phezulu abazange bayilahle balokhu begijime nayo kuze benamhlanje isibonelo yisi leso ukuthi namhlanje SABC isimeme ukuthi sizohlanganyela nayo sibe sinathi celebrate our 65 years.
No, not make sure.
It is an absolute honor for me to be standing here today surrounded by greatness. You know, for 65 years, Mambazo started performing in 1960, and actually Ukhozi FM started in 1960. So the group grew with Ukhozi FM behind them all the way. And that is what we are still doing as the SABC.